In this video, we will learn how to download Google Sheet as a Excel. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and go to the File tab, click on the download option, then click on the Microsoft Excel. Okay, and here you can see the Google Sheet download in Excel. I just double click on this folder and you can see in download folder the Google Sheet download as a Microsoft Excel worksheet is a file type. Okay, I just open this Excel sheet. It's open. See, it's click on the enable editing to use this Excel sheet. So that's it. You can see the Google Sheet download in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.